Hey guys, I'm back in my garage today. I mentioned on my last video I posted that I would post this the next day. So yeah, there's where the last video I posted was. I'm going to do a video on all three of these doors just to get y'all updated. There's nothing much except for the fact that the light button doesn't work on this. It won't do anything, so yeah, I have my three doors, two 8355s, and then that Genie, which I don't know the model number of that one, but if you guys do, then leave it in the comments because I do read all my comments. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and open them. And then we have these buttons, just have to learn and lock, and then the light right there, and lock. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just run, I guess, the Genie first. I definitely need to get to lubricating this and the golf cart door and the big door, actually. Probably might do that after this video. Do a little before and after of them. I'm gonna go grab the remotes and for them. So. Yeah, I'll go ahead and lubricate these doors after, and then I can do like a before and after thing. I probably won't do a before video. I'll just do like those doors after lubrication or something. Cause I'm not in the mood to make another video of these after I just did, and I accidentally hissed in the whole video with slow motion, so I had to not use that one. I just have two of these keypads. They are LiftMaster. One of them's a Craftsman. This one's a LiftMaster. I can't show you the code. Oh yeah, here's the model of the remotes. I don't know if you can see it on that one. I don't have a ton of stuff on it. This one's all beat up. This is the original remote to the golf cart door opener. And I don't have the original remote to that one. Okay, I'll go ahead and shut these. Springs. They're doing good. Brand new ones. Go ahead and shut this one. Yeah, I definitely need to lubricate these. This one's even worse if you heard this one. Alright, that'll be it. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. See ya.